Hello everyone, this is Phil with the all-new 2026 Tucson. We're going to go ahead and show you how to adjust the display buttons on this vehicle. You're going to hit this button right here. You're going to go into the first one's brightness. Obviously you're just going to hit this, slide it, or up or down, or positive or negative, and that's going to adjust the brightness on the screen. The next one down is for your camera settings. You're going to hit display. You're going to have a choice to turn on or off these different buttons here. The first one is your parking distance warning. So you can turn the warning off if you choose not to have the beep sound and warnings. Now the second one is going to be your guidelines, so you can get into the parking spot easily. You could turn that on or off as well. This one right here is going to be your guidelines that you can turn. It'll display them on the back of the car. Okay, you could turn those on or off as you please. Okay, if you go back into blue light filter, you could also adjust this to warmer or cooler colors depending on what you like to see with your eyes. You could also have it automatic to where it'll adjust automatically for you when it gets dawn. And then when you come up here, you could also adjust it at a certain time for it to activate. Just by hitting this little wheel, you can get in here and adjust it to what time you want it to turn on and end time to turn off. Thank you guys for watching.